hemispherical bowl of radius 5 centimeters is filled with water to within 3 centimeters of the top. So the radius is 5. Find the volume of water in the bowl. So 3 from the top. So that means z is equal to -3 here. -3, and we have a plane, let's say. We fill it with water. So we have a plane, something like this. And what is the volume of this lower part? Equivalently, you can change it to be, +3. Just consider the upper part of the sphere. So let's say this is 3. So we will have like sphere, and we just cut it with the plane z is equal to 3. So this is the volume that we want to calculate. Radius is, let's say this is the origin. Radius of the sphere is 5. What about this one? This will be 4, right? So in terms of cylindrical coordinates, we can say we have the circle of radius 4 here. And what about the z coordinates? Z is between 3, and the upper bound will be the sphere equation. Sphere is z squared plus x squared plus y squared is equal to 5 squared. So if you express it in cylindrical coordinates, then it is going to be z squared plus r squared is equals to 25. So z is equal to square root of 25 minus r squared. So for this volume, the region is r is between 0 and 4. R is between 0 and 4. Theta is between 0 and 2 pi. We don't have any restriction for theta. And z is between 3 and square root of 25 minus r squared. So the volume of this region is going to be the triple integral 3 to square root of 25 minus r squared r dz. And if I write r to be the second variable, 0 to 4, then I will have the r here, and then 0 to 2 pi, and the theta for the last one. So let's start with the innermost expression. The innermost is with respect to z, and r is constant. So you may say this is rz. Z is from 3 to square root of 25 minus r squared. So what is r times square root of 25 minus r squared, and minus 3r, right? So this is the result of the innermost integral. Now let me write the second integral, which is with respect to r. 0 to 4 r times square root of 25 minus r square. For this part we will use a substitution, minus 3r dr. This is the integral that we have to calculate. Let me split it into two integrals and calculate separately. So for the first part of the integral, 0 to 4 r times square root of 25 minus r square dr. I will use a substitution. You can guess u is equal to 25 minus r square, so du is equal to minus 2r dr. And you also have to update the bounds. When r is 0, u is 25 minus 0. When r is 4, u is 25 minus 16, which is 9. So the integral is going to be 25 to 9, u to 1 over 2. Instead of r dr, we may write minus du over 2. So this is minus 1 over 2, u to 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. You may simplify 2's minus 1 over 3, 9 to 3 over 2 minus 25 to 3 over 2. So this is going to be minus 1 over 3, 27 minus 5 to 3, which is 125. 125 minus 27 is 98. So we can say 98 over 3. Minus, so I put 98 over 3. What was the other part of the integral? It was 0 to 4, 3r dr, right? So this is going to be 3r square over 2 from 0 to 4. For 4, it is 16 over 2, that is 24. So this integral minus this one will give us the second expression, 92nd integral. The result of the integral minus is going to be this one, 98 minus 72 over 3, which is 26 over 3. So if we come back to the original integral, it was 0 to 2 pi, the water in a bowl, so the inner part is 26 over 3 d theta. So 26 theta over 3, so just multiply by 2 pi, you will get 52 pi over 3 unit cube is the volume of water in that bowl. Please visit the website for a categorized list of my YouTube videos. It is given below in the definition of the video. Subscribe and like.